Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the video where we talked about Southern comfort food and fried chicken. Now, let's test what you've learned. Is fried chicken a popular dish in American cuisine? Yes. It is one of the most beloved dishes in the United States. Did fried chicken originate only in the United States? No, it was influenced by Scottish and West African traditions. Is fried chicken typically boiled in American recipes? No, it is breaded and deep fried until crispy. Was fried chicken commonly eaten during church Sundays in the South? Yes, it was a traditional Sunday meal after church. Is fried chicken never eaten cold? No, it can be eaten hot or cold and is great for picnics. Did African culinary traditions influence the flavor of fried chicken? Yes, West African seasoning played a major role in its flavor. Is fried chicken only found in the southern United States today? No, it is spread all over the country and even internationally. Does every family in the South use the same fried chicken recipe? No, many families have their own unique spices and techniques. Is fried chicken considered a modern invention? No, it has been part of American culture for hundreds of years. Is fried chicken just food with no cultural meaning? No, it's a symbol of comfort, family, and tradition. Remember to watch this video several times to reinforce what you've learned. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos in this amazing series for learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.